Okay, class, today's study day. So, Mindy, what's 2 plus 9? 35. Good job. So, Ryan, what is 2 times 3? 6. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Alex, what is 3 plus 3? Equals 10. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Zach, what is 2 minus 3? Equals 3. Good job. So, SD, what's 3 times 6? Equals. Aha! 18. Good job, I'm so proud of you. So, Peck, where's 2 plus 3? Beep, 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 beep. That's it. I had enough of you. Go to the principal's office right now. Ah. So, Peck, what did you hear in my office? I blow up with the air horn. Oh my god, you know that blowing off the air horn in class is rude and make people's ears bleed. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now and I will call your parents about this. No, 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 no. When I get home, I get grounded. Heck, we are very disappointed, you young man. How dare you blow up the air horn and math test? You know that blowing up an air horn class is rude and make people's ears bleed. I'm sorry, Mom and SD. It just thought it would be funny. No, it's not funny at all. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now and think about what you've done. Yes, Mom and SD, whatever you guys say.